Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the series of data released for different currencies, and this was on the 2nd January 2024. What this is data, the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index PMI measures the activity level of purchasing managers in the manufacturing sector. A reading above 50 indicates expansion in the sector, below 50 indicates contraction. Traders watch these surveys closely as purchasing managers usually have early access to data about their company's performance, which can be a leading indicator of overall economic performance. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive bullish for the USD, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative bearish for the USD. And this was released, the latest, this was released on the 2nd January 2024. Previous it was 49.4, that was also below 50, so that was also not good, that was also negative. And forecast, it was forecasted 48.2, and it turned out to be actual 47.9. So the new year USD starts with negativity, with negative data. This shows that the manufacturing processes are not taking place good. The manufacturing is lower, so this activity shows that this is negative for USD. Now this is historical chart now, and these data, the next issuance that are expected, that are scheduled to be after 2 January the 2nd 2024. Then next it will be released on the 24th January. This was the first data of the USD, and that was negative for the USD. So subscribe my channel, like my this video. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis of any currency pair or the high impact datas, their definitions, their impacts defined, and the latest release and their possible impact on the that currency. Like my this video, subscribe my channel. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.